I'm Tiffany Hendra, and today we're stepping into the fabulous world of Manor Home Furnishings and Design.
We're meeting with the siblings duo to learn more about home design trends and tips on where to start with your home decor projects. They not only own this gorgeous home furnishing store, but offer design services to walk you through the entire process.
I am here with Jeremy, founder of Manor Home Furnishings and Design here in Southlake. And first of all, I want everything. Just load it up.
We'll do
load
it.
it up. So gorgeous in here.
Thank you.
Dopamine decor is what I call it. It can be overwhelming for people, but where do you start? One room, or they want to do the whole house? What are the first steps that you would take?
So we asked them, what's the most important room or rooms that you want to take on? Because we want them at the end of the day to get a sense of completion. If we go throughout the house and we do tidbits here and there and everything, then they don't feel like they're fulfilled, they have not gotten anything done.
Transformation in stages.
Yes.
How do you start a room? Do you start with a painting, a focal point?
It really just depends upon the client. Sometimes we go into a client's house and they have an antique piece of furniture that's been passed down through family, and they're like, that's our foundation piece. And then sometimes it could be that a client comes in and they're just like, oh, I love this piece of art, that really speaks to me. Then that's our foundation. We can work within the colors of this art to create the room.
So the question on everybody's mind, give us the 411. What is the hot trend right now?
Wallpaper. We are seeing a ton of people want more and more wallpaper.
There's so many different trends coming back.
And you're seeing a lot of things like with texture, texture and patterns that are coming in and mixing them, mixing the textures and patterns together just to create your own look.
You work with your sister.
I do. Yeah, we get along very well and we bounce off of each other perfectly. We love, that this is a family business, and we love that we can all do this, working together.
Right. A little yin and yang. Okay, Jeremy said that you are brilliant at bedding, and I'm looking at all the beds in here and they're gorgeous. Tell me about the process when someone wants to redo an entire bed.
There's really not specific rules for a bed that you have to follow, so it's really fun and you can be so creative. And I love to mix different textures, different patterns. So if my bed is a simple coverlet, I would like to bring in some accent pillows maybe that have a bigger pattern on them to make it interesting, and then maybe add a fur throw at the foot.
It's kind of a work of art. I almost wouldn't want to sleep on it. It's like a masterpiece. So you make it look that way, but it's still livable.
Exactly. We want to make it look beautiful but comfortable at the same time. So when your bed is made, it's like a work of art.
So from the rugs to the bedding, to the walls.
We have our own workrooms, so we can create the bedding, we can create the pillows, we create the draperies. So it's custom tailored for those specific clients. And we find too that our clients like that because they don't want to, go to somewhere and see a bed in a bag and then they have it and then the next door neighbor has it too.
Yes.
All of our florals are custom made here in-house.
So you're creating trends here. Nothing's cookie cutter in here.
We like to try to do things that, like I said, that are just out of the box. We always love a client that lets us just go for it.
Yeah.
It's the installation day that is the most rewarding because we won't allow our clients to be there during that time period. And then we do come in and do everything from hanging the chandeliers to hanging the draperies and install all in that same day.
Reveal.
Reveal. Yes,
Oh,
huge
how
reveal.
fun.
It's so rewarding about our job
I can
is to just see the
imagine.
happiness.
I'm sure you've seen some tears.
Happy tears.
That's what I
Yes.
mean. What exactly is trending right now?
A lot of solids as your basis for the bed, whether it be a color or a neutral, and then bringing some kind of pattern to a duvet, or something that's popular right now is called a bed scarf. So if you don't use your duvet, it's just a smaller piece of fabric. It's not as thick that you can fold at the foot of the bed and you still get the same look. And doing the really fun throw pillows with the fun pattern, or bringing some kind of other print or texture in, and lots of fur throws.
Even in the summer, we're in Texas, and I admit I love texture and I love faux fur. I love to wear faux fur. I love the blankets, and I keep them year round. Is that cool?
It is totally cool.
Okay.
Yes, because you can fold that and put it on your bench at the foot of your bed. You don't have to sleep with it.
That's a good idea. I love that.
How about a design challenge?
Yes.
I'm gonna give you a few accessories and I want you to design them on the shelf.
I got this. final touch. What do you think?
Great start.
Okay.
And I like the way you started to create some depth by putting this object behind. We have a lot of metals up here, so maybe use a jar instead of.
Oh, yes.
Always try to add some greenery or
Yeah,
floral. So I kind of start with that, and then I decide what other textures and heights that I want to put on the shelf.
Designing is fun. I could do it all day. So, what grade do you give me?
Definitely A+.
Really?
Absolutely.
Awesome. So we're in Southlake. This area is booming. When is the best time to get started?
Now, as long as we have a set of floor plans, we can rock and roll with it.
Genius. I never thought about that before. Partnering the builder with the interior designer.
We work with a lot of the builders out here. We'd love to be able to have the floor plans and start at that time so we can really make all the selections, all of that have to go in before, the furniture and everything like that.
All right, I've got my Manor Haul. I'll see you guys on Home and Lifestyle TV.
If you want to learn more about Jeremy and Dawn's design services or visit their gorgeous location in Southlake, check them out at manorinterior.com.